Hi and welcome, I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to create a drop-down sub-menu page within your website. So what I've done is I brought you over to this template, and if you're new here, what you would probably do is go to all the different templates that you can use, and there's a link in the description that will get you to this page. So like I say, this is the template we're going to use. So if we go back to it, and if I just scroll down the page for you, there you go. This is quite a nice template. It's very clean and crisp. And like I say, if you're new, you can add different blocks, but there is videos on the channel to show you that. So what we're going to do is we're going to add sub pages and then put them under the blog. So what we'll need to do first of all is have a name for the page. So what I'm going to do is just quickly copy that, go to settings, and then we're going to add a new sub page, right click and paste. And then if you click this button, these are all the different pages that you can have, but we're going to leave it on the normal one and we're going to add it. And as you can see, that's added it up here. So what we'll do is we'll go back to home, scroll down the page, and then we'll add this one here, copy it, sub page, add it, paste, switch it on, add it there, and again you'll see healthy grow, we've got that one there, so we'll just add one more. So scroll down your page, and like I say, I'll just copy that one there and copy, go to your settings, add a new sub page, right click, paste, add, and then again you see up here we've got the 3 pages, and what I'm going to do is show you how to put them under the blog. So what we need to do is go to settings, and you can see your pages there, and that's your blog. And what you'll do is just grab it, move it across, and you'll see it's put it underneath there. Same with this one, and then the third one there. And then what we do is save changes. Now it looks like it's not done it, but the page has to refresh. So if you go to home and then relook at the page, you'll see them just there. So that's a very simple way on how to add your sub pages to a drop down menu. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.